been 10 days since I was diagnosed with COVID-19 and I still have relentless cough. I was in the school of thought that because I'm in early 20s, nothing would happen to me and I would have the antibodies. But trust me, I mean, it's easier to stay at home than to get the disease and then get the antibodies, because it's been 10 days and I've been coughing like a mad woman. Take the call.
So as you saw in that video, even after my 17-day period of isolation was over, I had a nagging cough and it was so debilitating that I had to seek help. There are few things that I did which helped me cope with the cough, and I've tried to show them in the video. To start with, here is a prescription from a pulmonologist.
Some of the drugs which were mentioned in the prescription required the use of a nebulizer. You can see that me and my father were assembling the nebulizer. It's very easy once you read the manual. Contrary to the common belief, you don't need hospitalization for nebulization. You can easily buy a nebulizer for 700 to 800 rupees in any pharmacy. And the instructions to assemble it would be written on the manual. So the other thing that helped was to add Carvol in the bowl from where I would take steam. It is a mixture of camphor and other things and would clear respiratory secretions in a jiffy. It was so useful that I would want to take steam with Carvol all day long. This was possibly the best advice and was given by my dad, who's an orthopedician but is running a plasma bank. So he's in touch with a lot of people and he knew what would work the best for me.
There are also guidelines by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to deal with the post-COVID symptoms. Their recommendation is that for the first 10 days when you are diagnosed with COVID, you should isolate yourself in a hospital setting. After that, for 7 days, you should isolate yourself at your home. And beyond that 17-day period, if you still have symptoms, you should first of all check with your doctor. But even if you don't have symptoms, on the 7th day, you should go for a general follow-up to your doctor. Other than that, there are a few immunity boosters currently flashing on your screen, which the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare recommends. And you can take them not just for the post-COVID cough, you can also take them while you're still suffering from the disease.